Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, everyone. I'm back with another one for you today, guys. And guys, I am hungry. We'll go ahead and pop this soda and get it popping so we can get into the video because y'all, I am so hungry. But anyway, guys, it's been a busy Sunday and I got something special, y'all. Something special today. Today, if it wasn't for my brother, Bishop Younger, I wouldn't be having this meal. I'm so glad he requested it because now it's been all day. Our girl is hungry and I can definitely use some stuffed shells, y'all. So today, I have jumbo stuffed shells, y'all. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That cheese, y'all. And some candied yams. Homemade, y'all. Homemade. Y'all can tell the difference between a canned yam and a homemade yam, okay? Y'all see the rich color of the yam here. For these, I make these with a homemade sauce. And then I cook it down to a syrup. And these, y'all. Oh, one more thing. I do got dessert. I got dessert. Yes. Cheesecake. Homemade cheesecake, y'all. Homemade cheesecake. But I'm about to go ahead and get a good fork full of this right here, y'all. A good fork full of this. Because, y'all, look at that. Can y'all see that there? Yes, baby, yes. Now, I got to be careful because it's hot. And y'all know when I'm hungry, I'll be burning my mouth up. The steam, y'all. Y'all stuff these with ground turkey, spinach, onions, a little garlic. Look at that, y'all. Y'all see the steam coming up off that bad boy. Y'all see that? Y'all know this is fresh and hot. Woo. Hot. Hot. But it's so good. Y'all take a bite, baby. Oh, y'all, this is so good. I got 3 different kinds of cheeses in here. Not 1, not 2, but 3. I got freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And I got shredded Parmesan cheese. And of course, on top, y'all, I got had the mozzarella cheese. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. It's so good. But anyway, how y'all doing on this Sunday evening? I'm doing good now that I got my work done, my notes done, all the cooking done out the way. And I'm ready to see what God got in store for me this week. And I know it's going to be a blessed week. I'm claiming it, y'all. I'm believing. Y'all know how when Monday come around, everybody like being like a bad mood or be like, oh, it's Monday. And then your whole mood is just blah. Now, I'm going to start claiming my Mondays at the start of my week because it is what you make it, y'all. The week is going to be good. It's going to be good to me. Y'all, look at that. Steaming, piping hot. Mmm. 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 Y'all, these are jumbo shells. Look at that. Jumbo, jumbo, mumbo, baby. Mmm. I didn't even touch my yams. Look at that. Homemade, y'all. Homemade. It's luscious with the right amount of sweetness. Mmm. I make my syrup, my sauce, and it turns into a syrup. I make it the night before. And then, once I get the potatoes peeled and cut, I add the sauce to it. Bake it in the oven on the highest heat I can get it. Wrap it with aluminum foil. Let the potatoes cook. Once the potatoes get done, I take off the top of the aluminum foil. Add my thickening. Put it back in the oven. And it is good, y'all. Mother Young just bust up in here, but she ain't gonna get on camera, though. Look at her, y'all. At least say, hey, mama.
Hi.
She said, hi, going into the refrigerator, y'all. Mother Young, you want some of these? More for me. I know the kids want some. Do she want me to send them in here? No, I want to eat my own food. I gotta save room for dessert, y'all. I ain't had nothing to drink yet. Y'all know it's good. Whew. Jesus, sweet Jesus. Whew. Y'all, this is, oh, so good. After all day of working, this is a treat. All right, y'all, I'm about to dig into dessert. Yes, Lord. Don't y'all know to be able to cook is a blessing? Be able to have good food any time of the day, morning, noon, or night. God has blessed me, child. Woo, child. All right, I'm going to clear this off, y'all, and I'm going to cut this good old cheesecake. Yes, Lord, y'all. And I like this cheesecake because I can have the cheesecake without all the, without all the butter and extra fat. Y'all, this simple, easy cheesecake recipe, if you are a person like me, you don't like sugary sweet, you know, and you like a light fluffy, not too thick, this is the cheesecake for you then, honey. It's so delicate and light. Y'all see that? Yes, honey. I would take this over any other cheesecake any day. I really would. I'm going to cut me a nice slice, y'all. Here we go. Hopefully I can pick it up. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Y'all see that? Y'all know that's good. Y'all know how we do. We lick the knife. Y'all look at that. A nice, light, fluffy cheesecake. Look at that. It's light, fluffy, not too thick. And y'all, I got a tutorial and I did a video for those of you who have not seen it on my YouTube channel. And the one that I made on my channel is a blueberry one. This one today is strawberry. Yes, Lord. Y'all, it's so delicious and rich and creamy with, I did use Philadelphia cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar. And I like it because when you make it homemade yourself, you can control the sugars that you put in it. And only use not even but a half a cup of powdered sugar. It's so good. So good, y'all. Look at that. It's got the consistency of that old fattening cheesecake y'all like, but I ain't hating. Everybody, you like what you like, but you give this a try, you will not turn back. I'm telling you. You will not. That's how good it is, y'all. Y'all, all I can say is God is good. Child, he is showing up good to me. I have the ability to make some good food, home cooked food. From cakes to pies, desserts, you name it. Y'all think this about to be a short 15-minute video. I'm at 13 minutes right now. Y'all, I was hungry. But y'all, I'm not kidding. I'm not just saying, I'm not exaggerating, but it is so, so good. Y'all, head on over to my channel. Or when you get off here, go check out this recipe. You will see the tutorial. You will see the blueberry one that I made. And I got the instructions on how to make it. You will not be disappointed, honey. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to impress someone, this is the way to do it. And those jumbo stuffed shells, Easy. I mean, you can stuff them with anything. Ricotta, chicken, turkey, hamburger, whatever. Y'all, I really enjoyed this. I enjoyed sharing this. Just let the flavors marinate right there. Like my grandmother say, good to the last drop. But y'all, don't forget, like, share, subscribe. If you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Here's where we're family. Y'all stay tuned to the next video. Keep praying, keep going, keep looking up. Positivity, everything's gonna be okay. And I hope everyone have a happy Monday, and I hope everybody enjoyed the rest of their evening. I love you guys, and peace.